Okay, Capricorn. Let's get right into it. I am doing things a little bit differently. Of course, I've been swapping it up, but this is kind of a divine feminine month, a nurturing month. You know, if you're nurturing a house plant, happy Mother's Day. And of course, yeah, there's a lot that goes on actually in May. We also have May Day, 30th of May in my area. That's big because we have a national cemetery, and actually two, but the one's an extension. And so, yeah. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into this, Cappy. First of all, I did pull uh, basically a wisdom card. It's from my deck, Wisdom of the Hidden Realms. And then I got a divine feminine because we all have divine feminine within us. And as I said, if you're nurturing a house plant and growing it, yeah, you're a mother. Okay. So it really doesn't matter. The resting tree is a sign for you to stop focusing and planning and be at peace in the moment. This is the representative of non action and relaxation. Patience is the key to begin with this. The resting tree asks you to slow down, set back, and watch the roses bloom and the birds feed in the meadow. This isn't the time to forge ahead in any way. You may not be taking enough breaks, so you're invited to be still and contemplate your good fortune, even if it means blessing the chaos in your life. This is a sign to allow everything to fall away except the stillness of the moment. It's like living within the space between the breaths. Yeah, duh. When the resting tree appears, it signals that you've done all you can for now, and it's time to unwind and allow your story to unfold of its own accord. You've earned the right to rest and relax. Amazing ideas will come, and if you do, remember the ancient saying, we do without doing, and everything gets done. And that is true. I'm just saying, it does go with your divine feminine. Let me get you the book. Okay, Saraswati, uh, Sari, how would I say that? Surya Sawati. Surya Sawati. The goddess of the self knowledge, the essence of who I am, flows effortlessly into everything I create. First of all, she does represent self knowledge of who you are. Nothing impedes the flow of creativity from the soul because your soul, the core of your heart, not the heart that beats in your chest. That is machine. You know, it's organic, but it's organic machine. It's a machine. It's a pump. And the true heart, of course, being the very core of the soul, where the emotions and the true depth of who you are, the truth of who you are. It's protected by your higher self, your spirit. You know, this is a physical, organic, three in one, called the egg. Just remember the egg. But this is just telling me basically that, again, deep within yourself, you know that that is the true womb of all creativity is the heart, the core of the soul, is what I was trying to say. Thank you, Spirit. Okay, she is part of the Hindu goddess Trinity, the Tridevi, together with Parvata and Lakshmi. All three goddesses help the trinity of Hindu gods Brahma and Vishnu and Shiva to create, maintain, and regenerate the universe. What is one word to describe the essence of my true self? That's what you need to meditate upon. The essence of who you are flows effortlessly into everything you create. And that's what that's about, creating. Being patient in your stillness so that you can create. And that's what you are. And the divine womb, yeah, I might give birth to life, but so doesn't your core of your soul. Think about it. That's the divine womb, your heart. It's where two creations are made. Okay, Cappy? My opinion. Okay, let's go ahead. I do want to see what's going on with you, Capricorn. We're going to start with the heaven and the earth. Okay. Let me see this nurturing. Let me see this nurturing. Exactly what we need. Your energy, by the way, that is representative in your 3D realm right now is very nurturing, Cappy. Yeah. We'll see what this is about. You're calling judgment on this. Let me see. Oh, gotta see this. I gotta see this. You're upfronting and nurturing because it is, again, you're nurturing. You're nurturing yourself. Okay, yeah. You call judgment because you weren't nurturing yourself. And you decided you were going to be selfish. It was going to be about me. Whatever I want, I get. That's how we solve this problem. That's what I'm hearing. Okay. I know this is going to be specific. In your heart, you do feel blessings. You this is what keeps you inspired. This is what makes you always grateful as well too. And you know that that heart again is the promise of life, of creativity, of balance too within your emotional range. Okay. Let me see. You hold love in your heart, balanced, close, patient, promised. Let me see. Because you know this is something that you're destined for. You know that you're going to have blessings. Happy. You're destined for this. Because you know how to step out in faith. You know how to start over again. It took a lot of strength to overcome and purify this yourself. What were you? Let me see strength. Because all that you want is peace. So you had to purify yourself. And you had to calm the beast within. Most definitely had to calm the beast within. You didn't tame it. You calmed it down. To have peace. because why? This should be your desired position. Your desires for me. This is how I do it. Oh, I guess my cap's come out. I'm Capricorn Moon. Yeah. Because you like stability. Your desire and passion comes out better when you know that you have stability. And this takes a lot of strength because you do have to overcome fears and doubts and everything within you to be able to basically not tame anything. We should never be trying to tame the beast within or anything like that. But, you know, be a soothing, calming effect upon yourself through your own self-purification. To thy own self be true, is what I'm hearing. To give yourself peace, because this is your foundation. This is what grounds you, Capricorn. The Capricorn I'm talking to, you know how to use your earth power quite well. I'm Scorpio Sun and Capricorn Moon. And believe me, yeah, elemental. Love, compassion. You may be feeling a little bit left out of something that you love and you've had a lot of compassion for. Ooh. Yeah. This Queen of Swords has a head in her hand. Okay, so we got a headhunter out here. Oh, let me. This is getting interesting, Cappy. I like this. I haven't, you know, I haven't even watched TV in years. My God, you know, I don't know what's going on, period, in general. Me and my cards and my cats. Love, compassion, absolutely. Knowing your self-worth. Detaching, walking away from any trouble. Absolutely detaching. Decapitating, taking away, cutting out everything that is not of truth and honesty. You show compassion by putting them out of their misery. Might have some Scorpio in your moon or in your chart somewhere too. That'd be funny if you were a Capricorn Sun and a Scorpio Moon, huh? Okay. Yeah, because there's been a lot of strife. You're reflecting on that strife as well. Let me see this down here. King of Swords. Shape-shifting in and out of your opportunities. Outcome, finding your opportunities, clearly seeing them, envisioning them, knowing they're there. We have the Queen and King of Swords out here on the table, so yeah. It looks like the King's head is in the Queen's hand, so I'm more or less thinking, Capricorn, you and this person are definitely in separation. Let me see. Shifting. Accepting defeat. You're shifting your perspective. You're focused on an opportunity. You're accepting defeat. Let me see this defeat. because there's no defeat. You've already perfected what you were doing. What were you doing? Getting clarity. Seizing up on the opportunities. Carpe diem. Absolutely. This is your outcome. Shape-shifting. Gaining perspective. Focused entirely up on the opportunities that are around you. Divinely guided and led. Declaring defeat. That would be the Six of Swords already. Because you've perfected what you had to perfect. Carpe diem. Outcome balanced, harmonized, and looking good, Cappy. I'll go up here and look at a few of these, but the outcome looks good. I really didn't feel another person's energies in here either. To thine own self be true. Your first true love is self. As I said, the womb of creation is the core of the soul, the very heart of who you are, knowing who you are, looking toward the future. Absolutely. Because you know you're gifted. Again, surrendering to defeat, to have your pleasure and success. Absolutely. I like it. I like it, Capricorn. That's like awesome to me. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and I want to see this. I want to see this too. Yeah. Apocalypses for you, Cappy. How about that? Throw some apocalypses on here. You may have been too oppressed to be nurturing. Maybe you called judgment because maybe there was something going on within your life, or something going on within your life, absolutely, that was like, or is like, too much partying. And this is oppressive to you. Maybe you called, let me see, what's going on here? Yeah, you walked away from this partying lifestyle. You called judgment on it and walked away from it, without a doubt. Possibly when you found out that you were pregnant and you knew that you had to nurture what you were giving life to again. It doesn't have to be your womb. It can also be your very heart. It could be opportunities. It can be a spiritual pregnancy. Yeah. You needed the stability, the security, the safety, the grounded, rounded, founded for your child, for your baby, be it an opportunity or for reals, a child. Okay, Cappy, let me see the blessings here. And the Fool. Show me the blessings and the Fool. The blessing is you stepped out in faith. Now, what's going on here? Because you know how to take that pain and turn it into power every second time. You felt this person was the yin to your yang. Very guarded. Your heart's very guarded. Because you've been loving yourself. You've been doing it intelligently. You know, you've been filling yourself out good. And that don't sound right, I know. But you're having growth. You definitely are transforming. You've been going through a transformation toward a promise. This is intelligent love. This is love that knows how to transform, knows how to communicate. This is love that knows how to grow and expand. This is the kind of love, this kind of love right here is what builds empires. Let me see this earth power for Cappy, please. Absolutely likes your stability. Absolutely. Likes to be safe, secure, founded, grounded, and rounded. But also has a sophisticated side on the way of knowing how to purify oneself, to tame the beast within. Not to tame it again. Just, yeah. Do the little Dr. Doolittle work. You do so well. I don't know why that was funny, but it was to me. Okay. An inside joke, you know. This is an inside thing right here that's going on. This is what brings peace to you. And the peace is what makes you feel stable and solid and secure. Maybe you didn't have a lot of peace within your life, and you do this as a ritual you do. This is something you are definitely dedicated to. Something you most definitely find that, yeah, this is your desire. This is your drive, your passion. Something you have a lot of passion for. Because you don't have time for confusion and delusion and woulda, coulda, shouldas. Because you're getting you're working your way, basically. You're satisfied. It's like, I know who the heck I am. I'm satisfied, you know. Yeah, I have love and compassion, but I'm also not dealing with any strife. I want peace in my life. This is the opportunity. My opportunity is for love and compassion. Let me work through this strife that's going on within me. Again, I feel like you're getting an awakening. And that heart's growing a little bigger. And yeah, them solar plexus too. You're feeling that, you know, your key. You're finding your key power. Yeah. Let me see. Oh, upside down. Let me see if my whole hand is. I don't think so. Nope. So I'll take them. You're not focusing right now on love, compassion. You may feel a little bit insecure about what? Yeah. You're like, I'm tired of bleeding. Just tired of bleeding. I'm still creating from the last blood loss. I can't afford to lose no more. I mean, I don't know. I'm hearing outcome, balanced, grounded, but still focused, understanding that what you do comes back to you. Waiting for the opportunities that are coming around your way, understanding the wheel and the web of life are connected. Your destiny is connected to what you weaved there. You understand me that? Yeah. And Cappy, now you're willing to take that risk. Now you're willing to take the risk. Ooh, I like the way we thinking. Let me see this Queen of Princess of Swords. I'm sorry. That chick takes the risk, okay? That was on the bottom. There we go. Flipping them over. Yeah, upside down. Yes! Let me see if my whole deck isn't upside down, or hand that's in my hand here. No. Yeah, you freed yourself from any situation that was toxic, anything that you were dependent upon. You freed yourself. The whole deck isn't upside down. Nope, it's not. Somebody was trying to draw you forward. Somebody that definitely might have been out for your pentacles. Might have been out for your money there, Cappy. Yeah. That's why they struggled. They didn't want to feel defeated in any way, shape, or form. Cappy, did you defeat somebody? Yep. You stopped them from going anywhere. We have the King of Cups. I'm reading I swear I'm reading a Capricorn with Scorpio in their chart. I'm telling you now. Absolutely. Because you already knew what was up, Chuck. Oh, wow. I love that. Because Spirit always tells you. Oh my gosh, yes, yes, yes. Okay, Capricorn, I just really got into your read. And, hey, we still on good time. No, I love it. Okay, let's go ahead. I am going to, yeah. Let's do some answering with, no, they're telling me, go ahead with those fantastical creatures. Let's see what's really going on out here. Okay. I understand that completely. That's a no-brainer. I understand this completely. You're guarded. You guard your heart. You guard the core of your very soul because you know what it's worth. You know its value. You understand that this is the love with yourself, intelligent. You know how to have growth. You understand that the core of your soul is the very womb to your creation. You guard that. Yeah, you do. No explanation there. And hey, right here we go. You purify yourself. You get yourself balanced out, focused, grounded, right? And you're satisfied. But you're not dealing with, you feel like you've lost too much blood now. You're not dealing with this again. That's what this loving. I'm not dealing with love and compassion no more. Hells to the no, you're saying. I had to fight and pull myself up out of toxicity from the last time and create beautifully with it, which I did because I know that's the core of creation for me. But damn it was hard. I couldn't keep my head up. Because all I ever knew is abusive love. Sorry. Yeah. You are getting a powerful new beginning, and that's the truth. Because you had an emotional, devastational loss. But guess what? You realized your foundation still stands. Shape-shifting. Exactly what the outcome is. Shape-shifting. Creating a whole new world for yourself the way you want it. All the tools are already there and you know it. And you know the key to all the cabinets and the locks to all the books and the doors. Because you're willing to take an emotional risk. Because you've earned your stripes and your talons. That's why you celebrate yourself. There's good news coming into you. Okay, I like it. Let's go ahead and see if we can, just get a overrun here or a clean up here. Beautiful copy. I don't know. It was just whoever took over. Yeah. You were dealing with somebody that was very toxic. That's why you hid who you were from them, because the core of your soul is who you are. It just got weird. Yeah, you stood at the crossroads too long. You had to go in and out of the rain, get yourself purified. You did a rain purification. Yeah. You stood at the crossroads just a little too long, didn't you? Again, you pulled yourself up out of some toxic shite. Something that was really, really hard on you. You just felt like you were over and over again living this over and over again. A nightmare, an abusive nightmare, where, again, we have free will. We let this shite happen to us. You're finding happiness within your, this is a heart. This is hearth and home and possibly a commitment. You were in a commitment. Okay. So cleaning it up, you were in a commitment. Yeah. Like I said, you hold the key to unlock all the books, the doors. You hold the key. Cappy, you hold the key. You basically ended a cycle. You were keeping an eye on something, being sneaky. You ended something with a divine masculine, possibly. Or of masculine energy, again, not gender specific. There's communication coming in, Cappy. Because somebody's getting ready to nest, and I already said that too. And that would be you, Cappy. And you're getting a message about this. And I do feel like I'm reading a divine feminine. There she goes. And we have volatility on the bottom. I didn't even notice this. On there she blows. Dare I say that? Okay, you know, it is what it is. Okay. Well, let's go ahead, and I do want to give you, I want to give you some healing and protection. How long? Yeah, healing and some protection. So we're going to get, this is Whisper of Healing. Give me one for Cappy, please. Just one? Well, okay. I guess we'll take 3. On the bottom of the deck, breathe. Just breathe, Cappy. Yeah, and see, you're in the water there too. Just breathe. Take this emotional flow and let it go. Let's go somewhere and ruminate for a while. Again, what I said all along, Capricorn, self-love. Knowing the first true love is thyself. Releasing negativity. So that's what I see for you. Just go in and ruminate. Ruminate. I mean, you there was dreams you had from your past or things that happened, you know, that you can even not only create a new beginning with, but possibly to create those ideas and those opportunities that you wanted to do, like playing music, writing, sculpting, you know, clay. Yeah, because you've definitely been loving yourself for a while now. You know how to take care of yourself. And you know how to release all negativity and let it flow. Because it's time for new growth within you. That's what I'm getting. Okay, let's get some protection. Kali, just one, please. It only takes one for you. Kali Ma, one, please. Protection. Protection for Capricorn, please. Anahata Kali. I'm taking that one. Oh, the other one was Baha Vinishvasha. Vinishvasha. Forget it. On a good day, yes, I can pronounce that. Okay, let's see what we have. Just a quick skim over. This is your protection. Beautiful, powerful Mother of the sacred universal heart, who lives within our hearts as the wisdom and healing power of love. Your heart knows how to heal and how to open, how to break and repair itself to become stronger and wiser than before. Your heart cannot be contained or constrained by what has taken place. Your heart wisdom and empowerment are growing. Soon you shall have the wisdom and courage to accomplish something very important for your soul journey. Trust in the invisible workings of divine love. Let your heart be at peace. Allow yourself to be soothed by her presence within your heart as it becomes strong and radiant, shining love for the spiritual benefit of all beings. Finish by bowing your head to your hands in prayer. You have completed your ritual. Okay. Let's go ahead and, chill out and relax. Ask and you shall receive. Ask someone for something ridiculous, a big favor, time, help, etc. The bolder the better. You never know what you can get in life unless you ask. Life rewards the bold. And that is number 255. Okay. That's what I have for you, Capricorn. Coin. I can't even talk. Capricorn, no, I have not. Well, I've been out in nature, but yeah, that's it. But yeah, thank you for sharing your lovely energies with me. It was fun. It was great. The healing I take for real. I understand your story totally, completely. And I don't want to dig no more out in here. Thank you for sharing what you shared with me, and some things I didn't, say out loud, but thank you so much for sharing that with me. And you're doing good. Just, you know what to do. I know I can feel it. Okay. So, but anyway, yeah, take care of yourself. Be safe. Be kind to one another, please. And know that you're always loved. And I'll see you when I see a Capricorn on your way out or in, if whatever, you know, hit me up. If you feel inclined, please subscribe. Later.